This is my 1985 Meggamite-160. Sold under the brand Meggitt, which is an English company that do a lot more aerospace things now. I've yet to see another Meggitt CNC machine. Although I do believe they made manual lathes back in the day. This one is currently running Pathpilot. Just cancel the stop, touchscreen, press reset. Done. So this machine is built by AVM in Italy. It's an AVM MAS165S CNC. 1985. Originally had a Phonic 3T control, but yeah, no it doesn't. It's all single phase now as well. I haven't got the chuck on at the moment. We do have a chem with a B42 collet chuck, and I also have an MMK power chuck to go on it. But I have to make a back plate, and I will have to make a threaded adapter for the draw tube. Machine is fitted with a Barafaldi RH150 electric turret. This machine has a 110 volt 3-phase motor. For indexing, that's actually this piece in here. That drives the gear train, which pushes the turret out, rotates it, reverses it back, pulls it in, and locks in place. And there's a 24 volt DC brake as well on it. It's really quite an ingenious little system. If I wind this, you can start to see, hopefully, how this turret operates. So it pushes the turret wheel out and starts to rotate until it reaches its next position, or its desired position, and then it's a matter of reversing the rotation of the motor, and that reverses the turret wheel onto a ratchet pawl, I believe, and then starts to pull in against a face gear. And that's a 6-way turret, which is somewhat limiting, but you can always down tools. That'd be easy enough to add a second tool post here, quick change tool post, greatly increasing the usefulness of this machine.